It's called GEMDAS. I know you parents learned it by PEMDAS and you, but I learned it by GEMDAS because we're only focusing on parentheses and not like other grouping symbols in common. So like GEMDAS meaning we have to focus on all the grouping symbols together. So let's get started. So guys, I'll be explaining how to the basic rules of PEMDAS. So GEMDAS. So GEMDAS. Write GEMDAS down, okay? So there are like S means subtraction, and A means addition, D means division, M means multiplication, E means exponents, and G means grouping symbols. So yeah, that's what GEMDAS means. So, and also another rule is that subtraction and addition are grouped into one group, and division and multiplication are grouped into another group. So, and yeah, just like that, these two letters are grouped into three groups, and if you join them all together, they're called GEMDAS. So let's get started. So for beginners who don't know, for fifth graders who are learning GEMDAS, first let's start with addition and subtraction. So 8 plus 5 minus 4. So the rule for addition in the group is that the biggest operation in the group goes first. But if subtraction was in the left side of the equation, we have to do that first. And if the greatest operation was in the left side of the equation, we had to do that first. So yeah, the greatest operation is in the left side, so we had to do it first. 8 plus 5 equal to 13, and write the equation properly down. 4, right below it. And now we have to do 13 minus 4. So 13 minus 4 equal to, 9. 9 is that, and 9 is the answer. So that's for addition and subtraction. Now let's do another one of addition problems. I'm just going to switch the problem, okay? 4 minus 5 plus 8. That would not work, so that's wrong on me. So, 3 minus 2 plus 3. So as you remember, I told you guys that if the least operation is on the left side of the equation, we have to do that first. So let's do it first. 3 minus 2 equal to 1, and plus, write the equation down properly. And then now we have to do 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4, and 4 is the answer. So again, let's do a different operation. Now let's do multiplication and division. So let's do this. 6 times 3 divided by 2. So that is a division equation that we can do easily. As you know, the same rule that I told you, if the greatest, in this group, multiplication is the greatest operation and division is the least. But if just because the least operation is on the left, doesn't mean we don't have to do it. We have to do it in the if it's in the left, but the big operation is in the right, so we had to do that first. So 6 times 3 equal to 18 divided by 2. Write it properly down. And 18 minus, now we have to do this equation. So 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. I'm so bad at dividing sometimes. So 9. So that is one of the ways. So let's do another one of these multiplication division. I'll proceed you through the next clip. So guys, we'll be doing this problem, 4 divided by 2 times 6. So as per GEMDAS rule, we're supposed, look in the problem first. What do you see? Do you see multiplication first or division first? So there's division is coming first. So as per GEMDA rules, we have to do multiplication first. But in this GEMDAS problem, first come first serve. So division is coming first, so we have to do 4 divided by 2 first. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Write the problem down, and now we have to solve 2 times 6. So 2 times 6 equal to 12. So now, since we learned all the operations. So since we learned subtraction, addition, division, and multiplication, we've learned so far 4 operations. So what I did was mash up all those operations together and made this big equation. I know this is going to be hard, but by using the rules that we learned on those past equations, we can do this problem very easily. So problem is 5 plus 14 divided by 7 times 2 minus 1. So as you can see in GEMDAS, who's bigger, addition subtraction group or multiplication division? Multiplication division is the bigger group, so we'll go with multiplication division. So in multiplication division, so first come first rule, you would tell that it might not come, but as per GEMDAS, multiplication comes first, but according to the first come first rule, division is in the first left side of the equation. So we had to do division first. So write the equation properly. So 5 plus 2 times 2 minus 1. So now we had to see who's bigger in this equation. In this equation, multiplication is greater than addition and subtraction, so we had to do multiplication first. 5 plus 4 minus 1. So now we're coming to the finale of addition and subtraction. So who's bigger in this equation is addition. He's bigger, and also according to the first come first rule, he's in the left side of the equation, so we can do addition first. So 5 plus 4 equal to 9 minus 1. So now we just had to subtract this 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 equal to 8. So 8 is the answer. So that's our addition, all 4 of the operations that we learned. Now we'll be learning the last 2 operations, grouping symbols and exponents. That we'll see you on the next episode on concepts of math.